This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Just show up, give it your best. That's what counts the most. That's what has the biggest impact.
Good morning. We all had a good weekend. New day, new week. New opportunities. Keep your losses small. Keep your losses small for individual trades. Keep your losses small on your accounts for the day. Keep tight PDLLs. Personal daily loss limits. Don't let the market take money from you. You come back the new day, it's a free reset. You'll forget you even lost $150, $200 in the account. Won't even be on your mind. Not financial advice, entertainment only, but it's a good rule of thumb to follow. Okay, so let me load up some, Not gonna load up some. Let's get rid of these. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep them both in. I'm gonna keep the 25,000 line in on the 4-hour chart. I'm actually gonna keep also, or add one over here. Paste. Just to be honest with you, this is where we pushed off the most recent, there we go. The most recent swing, oh, wait, why are you doing that? The most recent swing low, this is where we pushed off from. We did push off from the 25,000 level. And it did act as kind of resistance over here. Maybe resistance over here also. Well, I mean, 25,000. It's about as round number as you can get. Besides 100,000, so no surprise there. I was expecting that. But you see when we say how it's a range. It's not an exact number. Here you come down a little bit on this one. On this push lower, we actually got 70 points below it. At least we're looking at the 4-hour chart. I should add a few more days to this. I don't want to add too much, but let's make it 35. Or I want to catch that bottom. That's it. There we go. Okay. Well, that's what we're looking at. Since the beginning of September. And there is a theory going out there that 10 out of the last 12 Octobers were green months. And pretty solidly green also, by almost like I think the average was 5% or 4%. So you're talking about 1,000 points from October. So basically going up to 26,000. And some of those months were 11 and 12% and 10%. Those are some pretty strong moves. You're talking, if you're talking 10%, you're talking 2,500 points. That brings us to 27,500. Hey, that may have been, it may have been, it may not have been. It would make sense that it's November because it's the Christmas rally also. I'm not sure exactly when the Christmas rally is. We have to look into that. Okay, so let me adjust my line over here, because this line is tracking the all-time high. And the all-time high happened in the last 4 hours. So the all-time high is now right there. I seem to be adjusting this line quite often. Okay, there we go. Let me open up my data box. And the all-time high is now 241.50, 25,241.50. Well, pre-market, we traded as low as 25,124. I'm just going to watch the pre-market. I don't think there was anything of note for the London and Asia sessions. Kind of looks like we traded above the Asia session. Didn't trade below it, so we don't got the 1, 2, 3 trade. ATR is 7. Volume 300,000. Not terrible, but not good either. Oh shit, it's true. 400,000 would be good. That's funny. Who's the other one? 400,000 would be good, but it's not 400,000. It's 300,000, which means it's quiet-ish. Oh, what happened to my camera? Oh, yeah, I know. I did a stupid. There you go. Should be fixed. It is. And I had one other thing to do. I don't remember what it was. Oh. Yeah, nice strong day today. right off the open, 25,000 all the way to 240. It's a good range for the evening, overnight, pre-market sessions. Good morning, Dave. Yeah, it was really cold. No, not if the door's not closed. Open your window. It's cool outside. It's not warm outside. It's like 16 degrees outside. Okay, what else do we got to look at here? That's funny. Well, if I had to have a bias on the open, I have to say it's going to be bullish for now. Let me get up my chat. Seems to be disappearing. Sorry about that, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sometimes I forget to unmute my mic.
Sometimes you forget to say good morning.
Pretty much always say good morning.
You never say good morning.
Huh?
Bugging you. Go read your Discord.
No. Look, I sent you messages. You didn't reply to mine. I'm not replying to yours.
I don't want to reply. I just want you to read it.
I'm on strike.
Yeah, you need to read it.
What am I reading?
I don't know. English?
No, we don't. No, we don't do that.
Yeah, I have to. No choice.
Freaking guys.
Not avoidable.
I sent you a
I saw everything you sent me.
collaborate. You didn't accept my
Yeah, I want to talk about it tomorrow. I don't know what to do with it. I've sent to you. I've sent to OFT. Nobody knows what to do with it. There's no click button. That's the second one you sent me.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to make it?
Well, the other one was you're loud today. I got to turn you down. You turned yourself up, didn't you?
I have no idea. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm really redlining here, eh? No, you know my mic. Windows just takes over and does what it wants.
The other one was for, I think, a playlist. This one was for videos. So, yeah, it's a collaboration, but they're actually different things.
Yeah, no. We're going to look at it. I think it's a great idea.
And, shit, don't ask me, man. I don't know either.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Same thing like sharing. You know what? Sharing is another thing that should be done.
This is new to all of us.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Work in progress.
Want to take a quick look at what you see in the daily 4-hour, 1 hour?
Yeah, let's do it.
I didn't even load it up.
No news today. White House advisory speaks. Nobody gives a shit. No news today. Tomorrow, not really any news. We got Wednesday, FOMC Wednesday. And that's about it for the week. Let me check the chart real quick. You know, sometimes the side will tell one thing and the chart will say another. Yeah, I don't see nothing.
My dog's
So that's
started to
about
bark
it.
already.
What I do want to point out, though,
Yes,
is on the 1 hour chart,
Mhm.
we're at this area. We pushed up, got a strong rejection at 25,180. Pushed up again, just slightly breaking new highs. What is this? 196. Another strong rejection. Now we're pushing up again, just breaking new highs slightly again, and got a rejection. So we'll see if we get another strong rejection from this area. If we do, this will be a third time fail, so it could be the start of something bigger.
Mm.
Or we could push up and break through this area. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on for the day.
Yeah.
How does that react?
Decide later and close.
4 hour chart, everything's still bullish. 4 hour, 1 hour, daily chart. I think we broke new high. 30-minute chart.
Yeah, every day
Gotta wait and find a setup.
Every day I'm marking in new highs. I got my little blue line there on the 4 hour chart. Oh, well, on all the charts, just tracking the
Skeletor, good morning.
the all-time high. Good morning, Skeletor. So if every day it's making new highs, guys, I am focusing more on the longs. Let's see, ES and NQ seem to be pretty much tracking each other today. NQ a little bit stronger, I would say, just based on the peak at 8:15. It was a stronger push than what ES did. And actually, to continue showing that it's stronger, ES, off that rejection, down to 9 o'clock, it broke the previous low from 7:30, where NQ didn't even get close to it. So NQ is strong, relatively speaking, to ES at the moment.
Missed what you were saying about that, but aren't they both pushing up?
They're both pushing up right now, but I'm just saying that NQ is relatively stronger. Just put up the charts. You'll see the peak at 8 o'clock was quite a bit stronger than the peak that ES made.
Yeah.
And then the little selling that came in between 8 and 9. ES managed to... Yeah, we are. I don't know where to put my Dow chart.
Problem, so many things to look at and nowhere to put them.
Yeah.
One day I'm gonna have to break down and get another screen. More real estate. Don't like looking all over the place.
Okay, I think we're all set up. Great. I'll go in for a 5 lot at 25,200.
Big money, huh? 5 lot.
Yeah, and I had my 10 points. And I was moving my other mouse away. I figured I can take a second. Okay, didn't really do much with that. Could have gotten more, but anyways. Next trade will be a band bounce off the Renkos. I think I'll take a 3 lot if I can catch it. Not if I can catch it, but if it sets up. You can see, let me open up the chart on the bottom. You can see, nope, no more band bounce on that. Next trade we're looking at is the 2-minute ORB. We got below the bands.
Still long or short?
No, I'm thinking short now. Took a quick short, got out. Lasted a couple of seconds.
So it still seems like we're setting up to reject this area again on the hourly.
Yeah.
Put in an inverse hammer.
Does look like it. Remember a couple trading days ago, we opened at the all-time high, and what did they do? They sold it hard all day, pretty much. I mean, not hard, but everyone was grabbing the money.
Yeah, but that was Friday and Thursday, and they're both from the same area. So this will be if it does the same thing again, this will be the third rejection from this area.
Yeah.
What is it? 3 strikes, you're out, right?
3 strikes, you're out.
Of course, the market will do whatever it wants, but generally 3 strikes, you're out.
Definitely something to keep an eye on, keep in the back of your mind. Yeah, funny difference. Oh, that was a bit of a bump.
Yep, got the large order come in and bounced it, huh?
Somebody was saying maybe not, maybe not.
Does make for difficult trading when it just bounces 30 points out of nowhere, huh?
Got to set up at 165. Come on. Sell ask. What do I get? Fill me. 68. Yeah, be quiet, Sparky. Shit, you really got to be on the ball. Really got to be on the ball. Well, we know that.
Yeah.
When you're trading the open. We continue to push
I start
lower.
waking up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'll be awake enough for the market open.
Thing is, what I still find crazy. I even thought it today. How many things need to be opened? And clicked on to get
it gets
this going.
tedious, doesn't it? It's like, okay, this one.
Crazy.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one.
Yeah, it's really crazy. Okay, I wanted to, it's true. I wanted to put on my, my bot, but you know what? I'm not going to do that. There's no point. Didn't run it last night. Were you online at all? Did you check the markets last night? I didn't at all. It was a night off for me completely.
I think I turned it on and then walked away and was watching TV instead.
Yeah.
Well, how'd it go?
Well, I just look at the 2-minute opening range trade. Did well. It hit profit target. That's one trade I keep looking at.
That's breaking above the 2-minute candle.
You're asking me about what I was talking about?
Yeah.
Closing above the 2-minute candle, but on the 1-minute chart. So I use 1-minute charts. So it can actually happen earlier with what I'm tracking. I don't know what's better. Did you ever look at it like a 2-minute opening range? Go
What
ahead.
is it?
I was just wondering if you ever tested to see if a 2-minute opening range is better on a 1-minute chart or on a 2-minute chart. That's an interesting thing to look at.
Well, I mean, you could test any time frame, really.
Uh,
1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, an hour.
They all come though. The higher you go, the higher the stop loss, or the bigger the stop loss.
Yep.
That's why I like the 1 minute. Especially
Trying to do a 5 second, but it wasn't working out too well. Because in order to get enough data, you got to have enough days, and it's too much to load.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to say Methodical Man was talking about a 5 minute or a 5 second or a 15 second.
And a lot of people are using 15 second. Okay, I'll call it out. I just took an impulsive trade, long. I don't know why I took it. I just said,
I think the 15 second could work. I think it could be great, but I don't think I could get the data that I would feel comfortable. You'd have to live test it. Certainly could be something to do. I don't know. Right now, I got too much going on with my stuff. Keeping up.
well, do I pay the price? Yes, I do. I got to get out. See, shouldn't have taken impulsive
With a
trade.
nice short here, yeah. Gonna have to prove me wrong. Hate to be a sissy and jump out early, but we know what this market is. I don't know if everybody else sees it, but there is a pivot point right beneath us.
Yeah, there is.
I get like 9 points, 10 points, something. I don't even know. You freaking sissy. You could have held that. Could have, yeah.
Could have, would have, should have.
Right now, the only thing I'm concerned about is what's happening in the next 5 minutes.
What kind of crazy long-term trader are you?
Skeletor done for the day already.
Good job, man. I didn't catch much. I wish I was done for the day.
Start trading Skeletor strategy.
Am I going to take a 2-lot here? Yeah, I'll take a 2-lot up here. A small little poke. I caught some good runs, but the problem is I caught him a little too early. So I went into like drawdown. A little bit of pain, and then they came back, so I didn't really make too much.
Good job, Skeletor. Skeletor, yeah. What are you doing? Like a break of the open? You trading the open? I mean, if you don't want to say, it's not a big deal.
That was just dumping.
Line touched it and disappeared. Some people trade the open. Was it Alpine or whatever? We'll call it open range, but really it's just buying and selling the open.
Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't do a sound test.
I told you I had a great strategy for buying and selling the open. But told you it's kind of a weird strategy. 2 minutes to take the first trade. Gotcha.
Well, I can tell you from experience, you have to have a broker you can trust. Not all the brokers fill you fast on the open, especially in the first 2 minutes. A lot of hanging orders. best one I know is Top Step X. I hate to say it. Well, Project X, Top Step X, Project X, whatever. All of those.
Mine would have to be Ninja Trader. So it's kind of a glitch in the system. The problem is I can't find out how to replicate it to make it a bot. Maybe one day I'll go back to it and try to figure it out again. Basically based off of the price movement. And it's almost impossible to copy trade. If I could get a bot, I wouldn't have to copy trade.
I saw a video yesterday that said Ninja Trader's not going to allow any more copy trading.
Are we seriously going to sell right into the VWAP? Come on, guys.
VWAP, yep.
Oh, man. Don't do it. I can't do it.
VWAP and overnight low. Pre-market low, sorry. I'm tracking pre-market lows. Pre-market lows are at 125, 124.
Why do you got to do me like this?
What price are you in at?
I didn't get in yet. I don't know what it's doing. I'm assuming it's going to take the close of this candle.
24.
I turned the master off. I can't do it. I can't sell in the VWAP on a master account.
Done for the day. Did that just show up now? Why would that just show up now? Live chat.
Done for the day. You said that like 5 minutes ago.
It just showed up now.
We even talked about it for 5 minutes.
I know. It just rolled up on my chat. Thank you, YouTube. Another good decision by YouTube.
Today's day 3, so I got to do something on this account.
Yeah, I see. I hate that. I'm going to have to clarify that rule, how it works.
I couldn't find it. I don't know if they got rid of it or what.
Well, it's in the contract.
Don't like that you have rules, but they're not being clarified and you can't even find it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to ask them where is it on their website? But their answer, I'm sure, will be it's not on our website. It's in the contract. And then you follow up and say, well, why isn't it on the website? Why are you not advertising that rule? Maybe it's because you think it's unpopular.
Short there. See what happens. Terrible short.
Yeah, someone should create a co-op of traders and influencers, and then
fight back against the props.
Should put pressure on the props to do it right. When you change the rule, you send out an email. You blast out an email to every account holder. You don't just do it.
Just think of people like ICT and Patrick and all of them. They kind of have the weight to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But they're not gonna dare question, are they?
No, they listen to me.
That's where they get all their money from. They ain't gonna question it. I have to say that was a terrible trade.
Dow's just going one way.
Today we should all be trading the Dow.
See the chart? Are you busy?
Busy.
It's a one-way chart since the open, basically.
Trying to show my chart, but I guess it didn't work that way.
I was doing some market replay. I love that. And the bot that I build in mine with Ninsarenko performed better with Heiken. I will keep testing. You got to watch with Heiken Ashi because they change, eh? They repaint in Ninja Trader. They don't repaint in TradingView, but they repaint. In other words, if you're watching it live, like you see my Heiken Ashis right now.
They do kind of repaint a little bit in TradingView. That's why TradingView won't even allow you to backtest Heiken Ashi.
Data series. No, I've taken screenshots. They don't. That's the thing. If I have Heiken Ashi on my chart and I take a screenshot, like New bars, not old bars, new bars. Like my from the time you open your computer and it prints new data, all that new data, take a screenshot of it, come back 2 days later, it's identical in TradingView. It's not identical in NinjaTrader. Anyways, that's my observation. Everyone
I
has
wouldn't
to do
trust
their own.
any back test of Heikin-Ashi candles.
Mm. The problem with TradingView is because the candle close doesn't represent the current price. That's the funny thing. I don't know why they don't do it that way.
That's the standard.
In NinjaTrader, the candle close, the current price is always the price in the Heikin-Ashi. So you always know exactly where you're getting in and out. I can look at it and say, okay, that was the close. It is accurate for the close. So maybe it's some kind of hybrid Heikin-Ashi, because I think
Definitely
Heikin-Ashi,
like NinjaTrader's Heikin-Ashi better than anybody else.
yeah, because Heikin-Ashi, the close is not supposed to be the close. It's supposed to be the high and the low is supposed to be the same, but the close and the open is supposed to be an equation and some kind of smoothing type of action.
And now they got me in this trade. Now I got to fight VWAP and everything else. What a terrible trade.
What's
I need
VWAP? What do you have VWAP at?
Is that not VWAP? What does that line on my chart?
I don't know. My VWAP's at
What's the line on your chart? What's the blue line?
135.
Is that VWAP?
Yeah, but it's so far away.
Well, now.
Well, you just said it now. You said I got to fight VWAP. So I'm saying, where's your VWAP that you're fighting it?
Same place as yours.
Oh. It's possible, though, that you could be using anchored VWAP. Let's say off the open or off the 6
It's
o'clock.
the same
or off
place
the
as yours.
Yeah. No, but I'm just saying, if it was an anchored VWAP, it wouldn't be at the same place. TradingView allows anchored VWAPs.
Okay, it's the same place as yours.
Hard.
I need to find out how to get conditions. Like, don't trade if the trade would be interrupted by a VWAP. Don't trade if it would be interrupted by the. Have to do the market close. The market open's too subjective.
Yeah, you can do that. You could say you could put in a filter. I used to do that. 20 points away from VWAP. If it's a sell, and you're 20 points above VWAP or less, don't take it, or whatever your standard is. That's definitely doable. Give me a sec. I'm still here. Don't worry. I just need to check something. Oh, you're doing it again, Sparks. Yeah, I'm looking. Hey. Everybody loves a comeback. Where's my comeback? There we go. I'm back. I made a comeback.
Right. All you gotta do is take it. Just gotta fight VWAP.
Now we're bouncing on VWAP. Yep.
It's right there. Just take it.
Mm-mm.
There you go. See, I wasn't scared. Was you scared?
Hey. If you took it, you got to play the donkey, I think.
Shit. It's my
That was
strategy.
sitting-
It does what it does.
Okay. It was automatic. Okay. I thought you took it manual. So if you took it manual and I was sitting beside you on a desk, I would have said, show me your trigger.
Literally been talking about how terrible a trade it was.
Yeah.
Didn't clear my order though. What's up with that? Don't know how to get the orders fixed. I almost want to let it go up and see if it tags that order, what it does. One lot was. Can I move it? Can really?
I'll try for a band bounce here, although it's probably a bad idea. Given that we're bouncing off VWAP for a second time, and the second bounce off VWAP, if you guys notice, it's a higher low.
One day we're going to get a master programmer in here, and he's going to help me fix these glitches. I think they're out of my control now.
Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't take it, you see. I used a little bit of trader's intuition there. Said, you know what?
Did win the trade. Another win for the bot.
Second bounce off VWAP with a higher low. Maybe not a good idea to take a band bounce.
Currently at a 94%. 3.89 profit factor for anybody interested.
I'm interested. Sign me up.
And then that's the graph. The number's a little low, and that's because I turned down the contract size. Because the markets lately have been kind of stupid. Always turn it up or down, however I wish.
Let me take a small 2-lot. See if I can add 20, 30 bucks to my balance. There we go, 30 bucks.
Now I got to figure out what to do about it.
Yeah, let's take the rest.
Account. This stuff's too stressful, man.
It's funny. Just as you were saying that, I was saying to myself, well, scalping's real easy as long as you take your losses quickly. It's just that, you know, in the old days, and I think I can say that, would be stubborn and let the losses grow, which was always a mistake. But just to try to identify the momentum and jump in and scalp 5 to 10 points. Usually I target 7. It's usually easy to tell which direction the bus is going. I got an entry at 44, but I'm not taking it because it's way too close to VWAP.
I was looking at that one as well.
Yeah, it's very close to pre-market lows. Oh, my market.
You'd think being 40 points in drawdown would have brought more people. I thought people love chaos. Guess not.
Hey, you found a cookie, Sparky. Way to go. $44, the target's 37. 37 on the offer has to hold. We still haven't reached it.
Short or long?
For the short. For the short. If you can get in at 48, or if I can get in at 48, that makes it an 11-point profit target with a 73% probability, which is pretty sweet.
Looking at this hourly again.
45, 46, 47, 49, 50.
If we'd so Friday and Thursday we dumped down to this support here around 25,000. So that could be our target, 25,000. Can I just short now and just hold it for the rest of the day? thinking I'd love to see 177, but I guess we've seen it. That might have been the trade for the day right there.
Yeah, I'm short at 51. It's a great entry for me. 7-point stop loss at 58. I'm targeting. Well, I don't care what I'm targeting. There I am. Oh, I was going to say I don't care what I'm targeting. I'm taking it there. I got 14 points. I'll take that little micro dump.
Don't care what it is. I'm gone. This is definitely the market where when you see it, you got to take it.
Yeah, there's the 37 that it held. Yeah. 51, I was seeing like in the low 40s already. That goes 10 points. And by the time I clicked the mouse, it did that micro dump. Gave me a few extra points.
Unless you go for large targets, this is the market where you just want to take it. Bama, good morning.
Good morning, Bama.
Bama's already been one of those days, chopping all over the place.
Doof. Ugly action. Okay, guys, I have to make a hasty retreat. So I thank you guys for hanging out with me. I head on over to Omnius Trades. He'll still be streaming. And I will see you guys again tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. As always, there's the 10 o'clock buzzer. Okay, take care, guys. Take care, Omnius.